Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to power off Redmi Note 10 Pro and how to fix automatic power on off problem in Redmi Note 10 Pro. First of all, I will tell you how to switch off Redmi Note 10 Pro. First press and hold the power button for few seconds and then tap on the power off once. Then again tap on power off, means you have to tap on twice on power off option. Now you can see that this mobile is powered off. Before going into further details of this video, I request you please subscribe to my channel Technical Risers and turn on the bell notification for getting all notification of my this sort of technical video, and must hit the like button if you find this video helpful. Your one like is very useful for us. So let's continue the video. Now I will show you how to fix automatic power on off problem. First of all, reboot your mobile and then go to the settings of your mobile and scroll down. Here you will see a option of apps. Tap on apps and in apps open manage apps. In manage apps you will see search bar. You have to type here SYS. Now some options will automatically come in front of you. Scroll down. Here you will see option of system launcher. Tap on it and now at the bottom tap on clear data and then tap on clear all data, and now tap on OK to delete all data. Note one thing, your personal data like your photos, videos will not be deleted by this method. Now go back and tap on system UI and tap on clear cache. Now your mobile is cleaned and bugs and virus are cleaned. Now your mobile will not power on off automatically, only home screen settings will be renewed. If this method does not work, then update software version of your device and try to remove unnecessary data from your device. Now go to security and run security scan, then optimize your device. If you will follow these methods, your mobile will not automatically power on or power off. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.